Real quick video, you guys. I keep getting asked what type of deodorant I use. I use the Alvera Aloe and Almonds. It's an all-natural roll-on deodorant. I'm going to show you guys the ingredients. If you want to pause and read those, you can. I've been using this for over 5 years. This is a much safer alternative in comparison to many of the mainstream deodorants on the market that have a multitude of different ingredients that do not belong in the body, especially in that particular region of your body, in your armpit. But again, Alvera, Aloe, and Almonds, I have this in my Amazon store. It's an all-natural roll-on deodorant. I'm going to show you guys the ingredients one more time. If you want to pause that and read that. These are about $5 to $7 depending on where you find them. I've found them at Sprouts before for about $6. I think Whole Foods even sells these, but really easy to use. It's a roll-on style. You don't need much. A little goes a long way. And in comparison to many other, again, deodorants on the market, this list of ingredients is much, much better. Peace be with you.